How to drive and use your ground radio remote for your 2095. First, you'll come up here to your machine, turn it on to ground mode. You have to turn that on first before you turn on the Scanereco controller. Turn on the Scanereco, just simply push and hold this button right here. You should get the platform basket logo, and then you get a diagram of the machine. From left to right, we have here is outriggers 4 and 3. Two middle ones right here, these are your drivetrain. You notice here there's a diagram of the machine with the basket and then the rear of the machine. So joysticks towards the emergency stop button is going to be basket first, and then joysticks towards the screen is going to be the rear knuckle first. And then you have outriggers 2 and 1. Likewise, right here, you got a toggle switch. If I push and hold this toggle switch to the left, I will get 3 LED lights right here. My ground controls will now become aerial controls. So from left to right, with holding this toggle switch down, I will have turret rotation, lower boom and lower boom telescope, upper boom up, upper boom telescope in and out, jib, and basket rotation. Start the engine is this button right here. And then this is the emergency stop button, which I push to engage to turn off the Scanereco, and twist clockwise to disengage.